Right, so this is the images of a 6-camera install at a farm that we've done recently. As you can see, it's a mixture of security cameras and livestock. This is camera number 1. It's a Noctis Pro bullet camera. This has been installed to look at this shed. This is their calving shed. So it's going to have 50 meters night vision and it's going to be high definition. This is another Noctis Pro camera. Again, 50 meters night vision installed in a sensible location to look at the second entrance at the farm, where they've also got the entrance to the parlour and the bulk tank where the milk is stored. This is camera number 3. This is the gubbins box for this shed. Still being worked on in this video. The camera's going to be installed at the top there to keep an eye on the calf rearing pens, and a few other pens that are located here and then right round this side to these calf pens. And this is the camera installed in this shed, installed high up to be able to see everything, and also some machinery down that end. This is the first wireless link pair which bridges the gap from the farm right down to the farmhouse. It's about half a mile and it goes right through the gap in the trees there, and it sends 6 cameras back in high definition. This clip here is showing the second wireless link pair, which is from this shed to the next building, and also that wireless link on the right bridges the gap to the next shed. And you can just see there the bullet camera installed, which the next clip is going to show. And this is looking at the first entrance to the farm, and it's also looking at an entrance to a shed where the customer is ultimately going to have some equipment stored in there. Here we are inside that shed where we have a Noctis Pro turret camera, 30 meters night vision. That's going to be looking against this wall where they're going to have some equipment. And we can just see here the gubbins box, which is being tested in this video. That's where the wireless link and the camera wires back to, and is powered from a single location. Here we are with the parlour camera, 30 meters night vision, giving a general oversight of the parlour, ticking the box for the milk contract if the contract ever requires cameras, and also covering them if anybody breaks in to try and hide cameras. And finally, here we are with our CCTV in operation sign, which we install at all of our smart farms.